Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, let's prepare simple Pav Bhaji recipe. Anyone can make this easily at home. So without wasting time, let's see how to make it. First, boil 3 potatoes and half cup of dry green peas. To this, I am going to add half cup of boiled gobi or cauliflower, which I boiled with salt and turmeric. Now we will mash all together. Next, in a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Now add finely chopped an onion, and fry until transparent. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until its raw smell leaves. Now I am going to add green chilli and finely chopped half capsicum, and we need to fry 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Next, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 2 tablespoons of Pav Bhaji masala. Mix and saute well for a minute. Now I am going to add little water so that the spices do not burn. Once all the masalas mixed well, we will add finely chopped 1 tomato along with some salt. Fry until softens. Here tomatoes are fried well and all the ingredients are mixed well. Now we will mash all these ingredients, since all the ingredients are cooked well, so that we can mash easily. Once done, we will add gobi, aloo and green peas mixture. Mix well, and again we will mash all together. Now I am going to add little water. Mix well. Now we will add finely chopped coriander leaves and mix. In this time you can check the salt. If salt is required, add salt as per taste. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. You can add butter as much you want. And that's it, Pav Bhaji is ready. Here I have not added any food color which is harmful to our health. So please avoid using food color in your recipe. Next, take a tawa, add some butter and little bhaji which we prepared. Now we will fry bun or pav both the side like this, and enjoy your evening snack with your family. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching my video.